Yo, 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 what is a dealio, y'all? Hey, listen, check this out, man. Happy Monday. We got a banger for you today, all right? In this video, what I'm gonna be talking about is how three stocks, right? Only three stocks can change your trading and then can increase your performance, all right? So I got something that I wanna do, right? For the month of May, we calling it Money May, right? I am going on a three stock challenge. I am only going to day trade three different stocks. All right. There's this misconception that you gotta have a watch list of 100 stocks, right? You gotta know what stock is gonna blow up, right? You gotta know what stock is gonna 10x, right? You gotta do all of this crazy stuff. And what that does is it leaves you confused, it leaves you unprofitable, it leaves you you know, confused more than you need to be. And so you already know I'm always trying to make trading simpler for you, right? I'm always trying to make trading simpler for you. So because I'm trying to make trading simpler for you, I am spearheading a three stock challenge. All right, so this is what it's gonna do. Three stock challenge. You are gonna choose three stocks to trade for the next 30 days, right? I already have my three stocks and I'll share my three stocks, but you're gonna choose three stocks to trade. Okay. I have a worksheet. If you want to download the worksheet, then click the link in the description and you can get that worksheet. All right. Now, you're gonna choose three stocks. You're gonna study these three stocks. You're gonna learn these three stocks inside and out. All right. You're gonna only day trade these three stocks. Now, let me tell you what this is gonna do for you. It's gonna help simplify everything, right? It's gonna simplify everything. Now you ain't gotta worry about earnings except for these three stocks. You ain't gotta worry about no other crazy stuff. Your watch list can only have those three stocks, and then I'll give you the SPY just because it's the market and the QQQ. So you got five stocks total on your watch list, on your trading view. Okay, it's gonna help simplify everything. You gotta understand that when you simplify things, it's not always about what you need to do. A lot of times it's about what you don't need to do, right? So if I take things away, it's like addition by subtraction. The more you subtract, the more things will add up, okay? It's also gonna make you more efficient as a trader because it's just like a McDonald's, right? Or a Burger King or any big business that's been around for 60 years. Efficiency is the name of the game. One of the most efficient companies in the history is Toyota. They have a book on their efficiency in their warehouse, right? So, efficiency. If you know three stocks like the back of your hand, you can go into the stock market and you can print, okay? When I first started putting out my traded today videos, I had Meta and Palantir and like Tesla. Those were my three main ones right there, okay? Those were my three bangers. So now I'm going into three different ones right now, okay? And we're gonna lock in for the month of May and we're gonna focus on these three stocks. Whatever three stocks you decide to choose, be sure to put it in the description, all right? Put it in the description and let me know what your three stocks are. Next thing it's gonna do, it's gonna increase your confidence. When you get a win with this one stock, you're gonna wanna trade it again and wanna trade it again. And you're just gonna get better and better and better. And then you're gonna learn how to trade, right? Because a lot of people don't know how to trade. They just know how to research and find a stock that is going up. And I'm not no shade, right? But I am a trader, right? I know how to understand the market at this point. And so it don't matter what the stock is. It's about me understanding the market and learning how to trade and know how to trade, right? So that's why you could trade the same stock every day. I already made a video on this. I said, the video is about how you can trade the same stock over and over and make a whole bunch of money. All right. The next thing this is going to do, it's going to give you clarity. Okay. Clarity. This clarity is going to help you not be all confused and you're going to know exactly what you need to do. It's also going to save you time, right? Because the time that it saves you, instead of having to research five different companies, 8 different companies and look at 20 different charts, you looking at 3 charts. That's it. And then the SPY and maybe the QQQ. But the SPY and the QQQ chart be looking damn near the same. So 3 stocks, okay? You only gotta look at 3 charts instead of 10, instead of 12, instead of 15. 3 charts, okay? So that's gonna give you that clarity, right? And then it's gonna give you better results. Better results. Have you ever been trading a stock and then that stock was one of your money makers, and then one day randomly you went to a different stock and then you lost big on that stock, and you like, damn, why didn't I just stay with my other stock that I always be trading, right? Every stock has a personality, okay? Every single stock has a personality. When I trade a stock, if I trade a stock that I've never been in before and I'm day trading it, like scalping it, I literally feel like I'm in a different house, right? When I trade Palantir, I feel comfortable. When I trade, what was another banger? Meta, I feel comfortable. If I haven't traded Meta in a while and I get in, I'll be like, oh, right? I haven't been in here in a while. Or if I trade Tesla, I haven't traded Tesla in a minute, I may feel a little uncomfortable because I haven't been there in a while, right? So the more familiar and comfortable you get with certain things, the better results you're gonna have. All right? So this is what we're doing for the month of May. I wanted to make this video and drop it today so that you can get ready for Money May. All right? So the 3 stocks that I'm deciding to commit to for the month of May is going to be, number 1 is going to be Google. All right, Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. All right. The next stock that I'm deciding to trade for the next 30 days is going to be MU, right? Micron Technology, ticker symbol MU. All right. And then the third stock that I'm choosing to choose is going to be Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. All right. Now, Google had earnings last week, so I get a whole month that I don't have to worry about earnings with Google. Alibaba has earnings on May 13th, so midway through the month, they'll have earnings. Micron does not have earnings until June 25th, all right? So that's the thing. You got to know these stocks. So I already know their earning dates, right? I'm already familiar with these stocks because I have been already trading them. And these are some of my 3 favorite stocks. If you're in the Discord, you already know these are some of my main calls, specifically Baba and MU. And then like I threw Google in the mix the past couple weeks, right? But you do not have to trade a million stocks. You don't have to have a fat watch list, right? I like these stocks because the spreads are tight, right? They move, they're volatile. All the small things that make a good trade, a stock to trade, a good stock to trade, right? So I hope that you join me on this 3 stock challenge. If you want to do this with me, then be sure to click the link in the description and join the Discord, and we're gonna do this. All right? I want to help make this simple. I want to help you increase your results. I want to help simplify this for you. I want to help you become more efficient, all right? I want to help you make more money. That goes back to the results, right? I want to help you increase your confidence. If you do this, this is another thing that it's going to do. It's going to help you with 2 things, your patience and your discipline. And that's what we need as traders. The better patience you have and the better discipline you have that's going to be everything, all right? The reason why this is going to help you with those 2 things is, it's also going to help you with focus, because next month, stocks are going to go crazy that are not your 3 stocks. But when you know your plan, you can trade your plan. And it's going to be a lot easier for you to see success. And then you're also not going to be a victim of FOMO. Okay? Like, simply put, we got Jerome Powell speaking on May 7th, which is next week. These stocks that I've chosen for me, I know whatever happens, they will be able to benefit. I will be able to benefit from their movement. I'm not choosing stocks that aren't going to move, right? Google is in the S&P 500, right? That's my one stock that's in the S&P 500. And then I got, other stocks that aren't. So understanding how these stocks move in relevance to like the S&P 500 and what sectors they're in, it does matter, okay? But I want to be very clear. If you do this, the next 30 days can change your life. The next 30 days can literally change your life, all right? Straight up. It could change your life. So, if you with me, comment below that you with me. Let me know what your 3 stocks are down below, okay, in the comment section. Click the link in the description and you can get the PDF, right? You can download it. And then you can use that for the next 30 days for the month of May. And also, be sure to join the Discord for the next 30 days and let's help you change your life. All right, let's help you change your life. All right. So with that being said, I appreciate you for tuning in. This month of May is going to be historical. It's going to be powerful. It's going to be more than what you could have imagined, but it's time to lock in. All right. We're getting ready for May already right now. All right. We ain't waiting until May 2nd being like, this my month. No, May has been my month. I already knew it was going to be my month. And we getting ready already early. All right. So like I say, my 3 stocks for the next month you're going to hear me talking about: Google, Micron, Alibaba. All right. Always remember, get out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Peace.